What would happen if you did this with your hearing aids? For most hearing aids, this would be game over. Water damage, corrosion, or expensive repairs. But for this Starkey Omega waterproof hearing aid, it's built to handle sweat, rain, workouts, and real life, not just sitting in a case. For active people, this means less stress and worry about breakdowns and longer life for your device. You don't have to panic over a little water, sweat, especially during the summer, or accidental splash like this, right? So let's take them out, see what's going on here. Let's give them a little dry. So these can actually go into water up to 1 meter. Of course, maybe not diving deep, but yeah. Let me see if I can put it close to the mic. You can still hear it. They're still working. We're gonna drop them in the charger real quick and take them out. You're gonna see a little blinking light, and yeah, everything's on, everything's working perfectly. So if you want extra protection for an active lifestyle with hearing aids, I'd recommend checking out these Starkey Omega waterproof hearing aids, available for trial here at Virtual Hearing Aid Center.